Here's the app Talkroom, make money chatting. So let people pay before messaging you online, make money by answering messages. Use Talkroom from anywhere, filter the noise from your DMs. Talkroom lets people pay before chatting with you. Your time is valuable and so your inbox space. Talkroom helps you prioritize who you reply to while you earn money from answering those messages. Talkroom get paid to chat and talk to people online. Looking for a way to earn money by chatting with people? Talkroom is the ultimate platform where you get paid to chat with strangers, lonely people, and those who willing to pay for your time. So that's kind of the idea. There are a lot of apps right now where they just paying you either for making calls, like Neon app, or just any other things. Just if you're chatting and messaging and making calls on this app. So that's basically what you have. So you can just open it up, and here you have how it looks like. Well, to be honest, the app doesn't look super legit. So for example, you can just tap to some person, and then if you want to chat, then to request chat, you need to pay money. So that's kind of the idea, that you can set up your chat and then you can set up the price tag to that people can contact with you. And then here you just see it like that. And then you can see the really long onboarding. So pay $10 one and start earning to create a one-time charge, and then you can create price tag on your chats. There's wallet, there are requests, and there is your account. So basically you can earn revenue just by setting tag on your chat so people can message you. I don't know how legit is it, but yeah, here this is just basically the idea. So yeah, that's what it is. You can watch demos, some support. This app not yet in top charts, but that's the idea.